Howdy folks, Mike Leaker here. This here is build number 16. I built it back in April of 2017. It's the second mandolin that I built. My very first build was a mandolin I built out of a roasting pan. This is a brick house cigar box. Got a single coil pickup in it, volume and tone controls. It's got a couple of forks for the tailpiece, little wood cover over the forks, nice walnut arm rest to keep my arm from digging into the corner. Got a walnut neck and headstock, chrome enclosed tuners. So anyway, we'll give her, see how she sounds. We'll try a little, this is one called Raining Durango. She fell in with some field hippies, went field dancing in a tie-dye dress. Then the Rocky Mountain rain came and they all got soaking wet. She wound up with a backstage pass, started hanging with the pickers in the band. Till her heart got broke by a banjo man. Now she's had all the bluegrass she can stand. Standing in the rain in Durango, the right side of home, the wrong side of home. Standing in the rain in Durango, she's waiting on some cowboy to lasso her heart and take her home. She had all of her belongings in a cardboard suitcase sitting by her side. watching.